back. Okay, this particular pattern is going to be a cutoff whip. Okay, a cutoff whip. So what we're going to do is take this connection that we usually start off with here in this angle, all right, and we do a whip A count. We're going to do a cutoff, all right. We have a right side cutoff. Now we're going to turn it into a cutoff whip. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nice. All right, let's take it from this angle. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Lovely. All right. Another angle. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nicely done. Okay, so basically, again, if you want more detail, go to your problem lesson style videos.
Well, I would jump in here and say, in this instance, instead of if you want more detail, definitely go watch the problem lesson style videos for these, because when it comes to the whip,
Yes.
you can really do these so wrong and not understand why. But
Right.
he breaks that down.
Exactly. Remember, you got 4 different types of whips, and you really need to kind of understand the details of those, and that's where you're going to find out a lot of this. Again, these quick views are basically getting you through and a synopsis of what it is you need to do. So when you're on the run, you want to kind of review or take another shot at going, oh, what was that again? You just kind of go to these, but the other ones, that's where you really get into detail and get more depth. Okay? So have fun, practice, and then come on back for your next pattern.